Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can get and where you can get leather in a Taskbar Hero. Let's begin. So this is a very common material. This is what it looks like, and you can actually obtain this in a certain level, all right? But I would like you to open Wikipedia, all right? You can go to Taskbar Hero, look for Wikipedia, then on the search field, type leather, click on this. Scroll down and you will see the sections or stages where you can obtain these from, or your best chances are. So on A1 or Act 1 dash 4, on normal mode, 100% chance if you're going to defeat the boss, you will get the chest, open it up, and probably you will have the leather by now. So you can go open portal over here. I'm going to close this, open portal, Act 1, this, and go to dash 4 right over here. So Irikania, defeat the boss, obtain the chest, and open it up, you will obtain the leather. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.